Ladies and gentlemen, we're being watched live via live streaming, so please visit R1AA 2018. Mayor Art, F. Celeste, and Province of Pangasinan official Facebook pages.
Sound. Sound.
Hello, sound check, mic test.
Sound check.
Sound check.
Sound. Bass po makadagdag. Bass. Makidagdag pa yung bass.
Cutting me up like a knife and I feel it deep in my bones. You can have it, I love even harder. You wanna know? I just wanna dive in the water with you, baby. We can't see the bottom. It's so easy to fall for each other. I'm just hoping we catch one another.
Oh na na, just be careful, na na. Love ain't simple, na na. Promise me no promises. Oh na na, just be careful, na na. Love ain't simple, na na. Promise me no promises.
Baby, I think about you and I feel it deep in my heart. Maybe we just ain't meant to be something. Maybe we are. Ooh, I just wanna dive in the water with you, baby. We can't see the bottom. It's so easy to fall for each other. I'm just hoping we catch one another.
Oh na na, just be careful, na na. Love ain't simple, na na. Promise me no promises. Oh na na, just be careful, na na. Love ain't simple, na na. Promise me no promises. I just wanna dive in the water, but baby we can't see the bottom. I just wanna dive in with you. I just wanna lie here with you.
Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, na na. You know I feel that how you doing when he can't get no sense. I gotta go back and do it, but I can't wait. I'm doing forever in a minute. That's all my night.
one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. She goes like I'm not dull. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, yeah. Cause I'm the wizard of love, and I got the magic wand. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. They say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is all
I swear I can joke. I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world, like your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit. I can swear I can do. I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world, like your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are being watched via live streaming, so please visit us. Check us out at R1AA 2018, Mayor Art F. Celeste, and Province of Pangasinan official Facebook pages.
Cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm more than just a number. I'm a hater, I'm a lover. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comic going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit. I can swear I can do. I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world, like your ribbons and your pearls. I'm not just a pretty girl. I'm not just a pretty girl. Waiting just for you. I just gotta know that your love is true. Can't keep running, boy, in and out my life. Wanna be your girl, cause the mood is right. Will you heart, will you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I don't want you for my man. I just need you to talk before I invest my life. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. My love won't hurt. No.
We acknowledge the arrival of DepEd Undersecretary Attorney Alberto T. Muyot. We also acknowledge the presence of our Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio. Together with our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong. Let us give them a resounding applause.
G. Acknowledging the arrival of the colors, we have the Boy Scouts of the Philippines and the Girl Scouts of the Philippines of Alaminos City National High School. Let us also welcome our DepEd Marshals, headed by Dr. Miguel Gallardo Jr., Senior Education Program Specialist. And now, ladies and gentlemen, coming forward are the competing delegations ready to battle it out for this year's R1AAME. Starting off with Ilocos Norte.
From the mountains and the rivers, to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger, that's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free, men who told to bad the weather, that it one will never be. Region 1, Region 1, Region 1, oh, Region 1, better place I see. Region 1, Region 1, oh, Region 1, oh, Region 1, there is home by far to be. From her care I learn my lessons, in her bills I work and play. She has kept me safe and happy as I live on day by day. To other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name. Region 1, Region 1, Region 1, oh, Region 1, better place I see. Region 1, Region 1, oh, Region 1, oh, Region 1, there is home by far to be. Look to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1.
Ilocos Norte is the birthplace of former President Ferdinand E. Marcos, a great leader who had done significant strides in the fields of infrastructure development and international diplomacy. The R1AA 2018 Ilocos Norte delegation is determined to be unbeaten and matchless. Their athletes are optimistic that the throne is theirs to keep. They are destined as champions as they won't stop persevering and competing for the coveted R1AA overall champ crown.
Too bad the weather, that it one will never be.
Ladies and gentlemen, a resounding applause for the valiant warriors of Ilocos Norte delegation.
For Region 1, there is home by far to be.
Headed by Governor Maria Imelda Josefa R. Marcos. They'll be represented by Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba, together with Mrs. Vilma D. Eda, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent. Dr. Maricon G. Ramirez, Officer in Charge. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lloyd C. Rosquita, Chief SGOD. Dr. Wilfred S. Malapit, Chief CID, and Mr. Hene A. Reginaldo, Division Sports Officer.
Region 1, there is home by far to be. Look to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name. From the mountains and the rivers, to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes That's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free, men who told to bad the weather, that it one will never be.
Region 1,
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh, Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh, Region 1,
oh, Region 1, there is home by far to be.
Once again, a resounding applause for Ilocos Norte delegation.
She has kept me safe and happy as I live on day by day. Till to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh, Region 1,
oh, Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh, Region 1,
oh, Region 1, there is home by far to me. Though to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name. From the mountains and the rivers, through the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger, that's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free.
Lawag City!
The
All for
weather.
one for all. This is the principle that binds Lawag City delegation to Hall for more gold. This team is very much inspired to join this regional sports competition because of the full support of the city government. With glow and excitement in their athletes, they said that they are now very much ready for the battle to execute their utmost sports prowess in order to add light to the shimmering stars of Lawag City.
Till to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name.
Ladies and gentlemen, a resounding applause for Lawag City delegation.
See.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh, Region 1,
oh, Region 1, there is home by far to be.
Headed by City Mayor Cheville V. Farinas and City Vice Mayor Michael V. Farinas, together with Dr. Joel B. Lopez, CESO 6, Officer in Charge, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Joy D. Madalipay, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Arsenio A. Kabakungan, Chief SGOD, and Mr. Giselo E. Ulap, Division Sports Officer. Once again, Lawag City delegation.
So well, it's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free, men who told to bad the weather, that it one will never
acknowledge
be.
Our friends from the media and from the Office of the Civil Defense, headed by Regional Director Melchito Castro.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh, Region 1,
oh, Region 1, there is home by far to
of Batak. Naga nanalatak, mapang namnaman kanayon ang number 1. This battle cry is perfectly justified by the city of Batak as it continuously ventures towards endless gleam of excellence.
Fatherless, I wonder as I search for wealth and fame.
This year, their athletes are coming out braver, mightier, and fiercer through the intensive and vigorous training supported by the city government.
Oh, Region 1's better place I see. Region 1.
Running in their veins the wisdom of Marcos, the strength of Ricarte, and the courage of Aglipay. Coaches, trainers, officials, and athletes of Batak City are ready to battle it out with much dynamism and optimism. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Batak City Delegation.
From the mountains and the rivers to the plains.
Batak City Division is headed by City Mayor Alberto Chua or Albert Chua and City Vice Mayor Jeffrey Nalupta together with MacArthur Aguinaldo Bernan Martyrs, Abelard Crisostomo Tanagan of the Sangguniang Panglungsod members. Of course, together with Dr. Joan A. Corpus, Officer in Charge, Schools Division Superintendent, Mrs. Nemaline M. Ulep, Chief SGOD, Dr. Marilu B. Sales, Chief CID, and Miss Cecilia A. Verano, Division Sports Officer.
To be from her care I learn my lessons. In her bills I work and play. She has kept me safe and happy as I live on day by day. Till to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name. Region 1, Region 1, oh Region 1's better place I see. Region 1, Region 1, Region 1, oh Region 1, there is home by far to me. Though to other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name. From the mountains and the rivers to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger. That's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who love her.
Ilocos Sur! Ilocos Sur is the land where Diego and Gabriela Silang were born and fought for the freedom of their people against Spaniards. This fact describes Team Ilocos Sur that is very much ready to compete for the R1AA 2018.
Region 1, Region 1, oh Region 1, oh Region 1, there is home by far to be.
If Ilocos Sur ranked 6th last year, this time the goal of the team is to improve its performance and reach higher standings.
And happy as I live on day by day.
With the full support of the provincial government, the players are very much enthusiastic and inspired to play their own game. They are very much ready to show their prowess and very much determined to outwit their opponents.
Region 1, Region 1,
give it up for Ilocos Sur delegation.
And there is none by far to me. Look to water.
Headed by Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson. AB represented by Provincial Administrator Cara Michelle Peredo. And Vice Governor Jeremias C. Singson, together with Ms. Gemma Q. Takuykuy, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Arnel C. Doctolero, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ms. Soledad B. Dumbrique, Chief SGOD, Dr. Maria Salome R. Aberto, Chief CID, and Mr. Jose P. Bueno Jr. and Mr. Marlon G. Taloza, Division Sports Officers.
Search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, there is none by far to me. Look to waterlands I wander as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a resounding applause for Ilocos Sur delegation.
Kangon City! Kangon City is known for its calamay. This sweet, glutinous, and sticky delicacy is already a trademark of the city, and anyone who has tasted it swears it tastes like heaven.
It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free.
Kangon City may be too small compared to other divisions, but through its wonder players, it could pull out some surprises with a 100% support from their city government through the City Sports Development Council and Schools Division Office of Kangon City.
For Region 1 there is home by far to be. From her care
This city is so proud to have produced champions in elementary chess, 8-ball billiards, and soccer football team elementary boys.
on day by day.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Kangon City delegation.
For wealth and fame, in my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Region 1,
The following are the head of the delegations of Kangon City. City Councilor, Chairman, Committee on Education, Attorney Cristel G. Singson, Mr. George M. Reynante, Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Nestor Seheranya, Officer in Charge, Office of the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Ernesto B. Aquino Jr., Chief Education Supervisor, Curriculum Implementation Division, Mr. Danilo C. Basabas, Chief Education Supervisor, School Governance and Operations Divisions, and Dr. Alexander M. Razo, Education Program Supervisor in MAPE.
That's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free, men who told to bad the weather, that in one will never be.
Region 1,
Region 1,
Region 1,
for Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
for Region 1,
be described as a golden ray that would shine and radiate without a cloud at the sky, considering this beautiful haven as one of the 7 wonder cities of the world.
Day by day, till to other lands I wander.
In the field of sports, their athletes are disciplined and their coaches ingrained in their hearts the spirit of sportsmanship amidst competitive mindset with the determination to continue the legacy of excellence.
One better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, there is home by far to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Vigan City Delegation.
Wealth and fame, in my heart I will remember.
Headed by City Mayor Juan Carlo S. Medina. Ably represented by Joy Bennett Oreo, Chairperson, Committee on Education and Culture. And City Vice Mayor Lourdes D.G. Bakiran, together with Mr. Anselmo R. Alodino, CESO 6. Officer in Charge, Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Meneleo B. Palma. Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Giovanni V. Velasco, Chief SGOD. Miss Marie Christine N. Reyes, Chief CID, and Mr. Solito S. Cortel, Division Sports Officer. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Vigan City Delegation.
Here I learn my lessons, in her bills I work and play. She has
La Union
given me
Delegation. La Union is also known as the surfing capital of the North. Being 5th in the overall R1AA standing last year, La Union eyes for individual events to bring them the championship crown, specifically in gymnastics, archery, swimming, and athletics, where they were top contenders last year.
wonder as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Furthermore, team sports like futsal, basketball, taekwondo are also seen to contribute to the medal earnings of the delegation.
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, there is home by far to me.
This year, the delegation is hoping to catch more medals as it leans on the strength of their seasoned players to flare better.
Remember Region 1 beloved.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for La Union Delegation. Headed by Governor Francisco Emmanuel R. Ortega III, it will be represented by Nancy M. Bacurnay, Provincial Board Member, and Vice Governor Aureo Augusto Q. Nice. It will be represented by Ms. Delia Ortega, National Chairman for Special Olympics, together with Dr. Rowena C. Banson, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Marciano U. Soriano, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Emiliana M. Boak, Chief SGOD, and Mr. Herman E. Flora, Chief CID, and Mr. Joaquin A. Abellera, Chief Sports Officer.
From her care I learn my lessons. In her bills I work and play. She has given
Once
me
again,
safe
ladies and gentlemen, our warmest applause for La Union Delegation!
I wonder as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1's better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, there is home by far to me. Look to other lands I wonder as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Pantay-pantay, sabay-sabay as their battle cry. San Fernando City team, eyes for gold. The ever jolly and seemed so full of excitement, blissful auras exuded by San Fernando City delegates simply showed how ready they are for the region's big event, the R1AA 2018.
It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free.
With the support from the city government, San Fernando City is sure to make a history in the field of sports and keep their torch flaming over the others.
One better place I see.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a resounding applause for San Fernando City delegation,
From her care I learned my lessons.
headed
In
by
her
City Mayor Hermenegildo A. Gualberto and City Vice Mayor Alfredo Pablo R. Ortega, together with Mrs. Fatima R. Boado, CESO 6 Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Josdado I. Cayabyab, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Jose Marie P. Almeda, Chief SGOD, Dr. Agnes B. Kakap, Chief CID, and Miss Rosalina T. Villarreal, Division Sports Officer.
by far to me.
Once again, a resounding applause for San Fernando City.
In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Pangasinan 2, maintaining the overall championship crown for the last 3 consecutive years, is a big pressure for Pangasinan 2 delegation. As part of their preparation, they had their intensive training supported by the Pangasinan provincial government.
So where it's the home of men who love her.
Pangasinan 2 division will surely add flavor to the R1AA this year, especially if they will be able to achieve their goal. When all of their efforts combine, no matter how small it may be, when their talents and diversity are being out together, the result will be satisfying and more colorful.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, there is hope.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Pangasinan 2 division,
Lessons
headed by their city mayor, headed by Governor Amado I. Espino III and Vice Governor Jose Ferdinand Z. Kalimlim, together with Attorney Donato D. Balderas Jr., Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Vivian Luz S. Pagatpatan, Dr. Ellie S. Ubaldo, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendents, Dr. Rosalino T. Agpalo, Jr., Chief SGOD, Dr. Cornelio R. Aquino, Chief CID, and Dr. Enrique R. Macayanan, Division Sports Officer.
Look to other lands, I wonder, as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name. From the mountains and the rivers, through the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger, that's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who love her, men who died to keep us free, men who told to bad the weather, that it one will never be.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Pangasinan 2 delegation.
For Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
for Region 1, there is home by far to be. From her care I learn my lessons, in her bills I work and play. She has kept me safe
Acknowledging the
and
presence of our Bishop of the Diocese of Alaminos, Most Reverend Ricardo L. Bacay.
wonder as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1 beloved name.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
oh Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
Pangasinan 1 delegation. Finishing third in the last year's athletic meet, the delegates shed sweat and sacrificed much of their time during their intensive training to achieve their goal to elevate their standing and eventually become number 1.
better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
They aim for glory in the field of sports. Pangasinan 1 athletes are now ready to conquer the center stage and clash with the finest delegates in this year's R1AA meet.
as I live on day by day, to water.
Let's give it up for Pangasinan 1 delegation.
In my heart I will remember Region 1
Headed by
beloved.
Governor Amado I. Espino III and Vice Governor Jose Ferdinand Z. Kalimlim, together with Dr. Maria Celia J. Fernandez, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Chodora V. Nabor, Miss Marilu N. Cardenas, Assistant Schools Division Superintendents, Dr. Angeline S. Casipit, Chief SGOT, Dr. Carmina C. Gutierrez, Chief CID, Dr. Bernardo S. de Guzman, and Mr. Alberto L. Macaranas Jr., Division Sports Officers. Once again, let's give it up for Pangasinan 1 delegation.
Rivers, to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger. That's the place
Next
I
in
love
line,
so.
Urdaneta City. It's not how big division you are, but it's how big you play. Urdaneta City delegation has produced outstanding athletes in gymnastics, boxing, chess, sepak takraw, lawn tennis, table tennis, and badminton.
Better place I see.
Region 1,
Region 1,
oh Region 1,
Being a 3-year awardee in Region 1 Athletic Association prestigious awards, Urdaneta City will again prove its worth in this year's R1AA meet as it continuously uplifts its banner and attain the shining crown of sports glory. Let's give it up for Urdaneta City Delegation, headed by City Mayor Amadeo G.E. Perez IV, City Vice Mayor Rami F. Paraino III, City Councilors Jimmy D. Paraino, Maria Teresa Socorro Perez Nagyat, Maura Jennifer Dia Garcia, Dominador M. Villanueva III, Jesus U. Basco, Antonio P. Perez, Herodotus F. Sumera, Besildo F. Sumera, Peter Jason L. Agsalud, Florencio B. Aduca, Liga President Michael Brian M. Perez, City Sports Consultant Leopoldo S. Del Prado, City Administrator Rufino San Juan IV. Head delegation, we have Gloria R. Torres, SESO 5 Schools Division Superintendent. Assistant Head of Delegation, Rosario O. Cabrera, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent. Dr. Mario E. Campilla, Chief SGOD. Athletic Manager, we have Reynaldo L. Tomas, Education Program Supervisor SGOD, in charge, Sports Program for School.
Region 1, better place I see. Region 1, there is home by far to be.
Once again, Urdaneta City Delegation.
I work and play. She has kept me safe and happy as I live on day by day.
San Carlos City! Fueled by the fiery patriotic heroes, Andres Malong and Juan Carlos Palaris, San Carlos City brawn and tough athletes, willful coaches, and resolute division officials have risen as roaring tigers of the North.
I see. Region 1,
With its exceptional and impressive beginnings in the field of sports, San Carlos City aims to maintain its watchwords: 3Ks, karunungan, kalusugan, at kagandahang asal.
in my heart I will remember. Region 1.
Optimistically, San Carlos City believes that it will again shine and wave its banner not only in archery but also in other sports events in Palarong Pambansa. Let's give it up for the Rising Tigers of the North, San Carlos City Delegation.
That's the place I love so well.
Headed by City Mayor Jose S. Resuello and City Vice Mayor Julier C. Resuello, together with Dr. Sheila Marie A. Primicias, CESO 6, Officer in Charge, Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Mario S. Carino, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Priscilla R. Castro, Chief SGOD, and Dr. Editha R. Pridas, Chief CID, and Mr. Villamor O. Gloria, Division Sports Officer.
And happy as I live on day by day. To other lands I wander as I search for wealth and fame.
Once again,
my heart,
let us all welcome San Carlos City Delegation.
love and name. Region 1, Region 1, better place I see. Region 1, desert lanes and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger. That's the place I love so well. It's
Next
the
in
home
line, Dagupan City.
keep us free.
For 2 consecutive R1AA meet held at San Carlos City and Bantay, Ilocos Sur, Dagupan City ranked 2nd. Will they make it to the top this time? This is really a big challenge for these fine athletes from the Bangus, capital of the Philippines, as they gear for zest and zeal.
I learn my lessons. In her bills I work and play.
One of the
She has
strengths
given me
is in swimming, by which their athletes garnered the most number of gold during the previous R1AA. With the confidence that the swimmers, both from elementary and secondary schools, shall outdo their performance last year, they're definitely the players set to chart a record in the pool.
the name.
Region 1.
Region 1.
Region 1.
Let's give it up for the Dagupan City delegation,
Region 1.
Region 1.
headed by City Mayor Belen T. Fernandez and City Vice Mayor Mark Brian C. Lim, together with Dr. Lorna G. Bugayong, SESO 6. Officer in charge, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lourdes D. Servito. Officer in charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Miss Maria Linda R. Ventimiglia, Chief SGOD. Dr. Venus Maria S.M.S. Tunilo, Chief CID. And Miss Cheryl S. Villacorta, Division Sports Officer.
The shores where breezes linger. That's the place I
Once
love
again,
so
ladies and
well.
gentlemen, the Dagupan City delegation.
Love her. Men who died to keep us free. Men who told no matter weather that it one will never be.
Region 1.
Region 1.
Region 1.
Oh, Region 1, better place I see.
Region 1.
Region 1.
Region 1.
Oh, Region 1, there is home by far to be. From her care I learn my lessons. In her bills I work and play. She has kept me safe and happy. As
We
I
acknowledge
live
the
on
presence of Pangasinan Governor Amado I. Espino III.
Time to keep us free. Men who told
Alamino City!
that it one will never be.
This beautiful city became well known as the home of the 100 Islands, the very first national park in the Philippines.
Region 1,
Region 1.
oh, Region 1, there is home by far to be.
Natural wonders are not the only things which Alamino City is known for. It also earned reputation in the field of sports, especially in track and field, lawn tennis, badminton, and sepak takraw, because of the full support of the city government and the school's division office of Alaminos City.
In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name.
With the perseverance and positive belief of the delegates, Alaminos City will surely bag triumphs and keep the crown shining over the others as they empower their spirits.
Far to me, no to water.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the host city division, Alaminos City,
Region 1, beloved name.
headed presented by City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste and City Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez. Together with Dr. Danilo C. Sison, Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Aguido C. Fernandez, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Arturo Arviray, Chief SGOD, Dr. Wilfredo E. Sindayen, Chief CID, and also the chairperson of this R1AA Meet Opening Program. And of course, the Division Sports Officer, we have Mr. Arlene R. Alcantara. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Alaminos City Delegation.
Region 1, there is home by far to be. From her care I learn my lesson.
Marching forward are the equally hardworking technical officials. Let us give them a resounding applause.
As I live on day by day, to other lands I wander, as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name. Region 1, oh Region 1, better place I see. Region 1, oh Region 1, there is home by far to be. Look to other lands I wonder, as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name. From the mountains and the rivers, to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger, that's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who loved her, men who died to keep us free, men who toiled to bad the weather, that in one will never be. Region 1, oh Region 1, better place I see. Region 1, oh Region 1, there is home by far to be. From her care I learn my lessons, in her bills I work and play. She has kept me safe and happy, as I live on day by day. Till to other lands I wander, as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the technical officials.
I see. Region 1, oh Region 1, there is home by far to be. Look to other lands I wonder, as I search for wealth and fame. In my heart I will remember Region 1, beloved name. From the mountains and the rivers, to the plains and winding trails, to the shores where breezes linger, that's the place I love so well. It's the home of men who loved her, men who died to keep us free, men who toiled far to be.
Today, we take a choice.
Today, we take a chance.
Today, we take a change.
Today, we walk fearlessly towards the challenge of the most anticipated sports competition in the school year,
The Region 1 Athletic Association Meet 2018. Here at the Alaminos City, Pangasinan, home of the 100 Islands. With the theme, One DepEd, One Region.
nurturing and transforming lives through sports. This is indeed the perfect time to highlight camaraderie, sportsmanship, and vast talents of our young athletes.
That's right, Eliza. So to our dear athletes of Region 1, this is your moment to shine.
To our distinguished personalities at the presidential table, led by our guest of honor and the speaker, and our keynote speaker, who will be properly introduced later.
Our equally hardworking governors in the province of Ilocos Norte. We have Governor Maria Imelda Josefa R. Marcos, ably represented by Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba.
In the province of Ilocos Sur, we have Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson, ably represented by Provincial Administrator Cara Michelle Peredo, and Vice Governor Jeremias C. Singson.
In the province of La Union, we have Governor Francisco Emanuel R. Ortega III, ably represented by Provincial Board Member Nancy M. Bacurnay.
Pangasinan Vice Governor Jose Ferdinand Z. Kalimlim. Board Member Napoleon C. Fontelera Jr. and Board Member Antonio F. Sison.
Special mention to the host city mayor, Arthur F. Celeste of Alaminos, and city vice mayor of Alaminos, Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez, and other local government unit officials.
Regional Director from the Office of the Civil Defense, Melchito Castro.
Our DepEd Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torio, CESO 3. Our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong, CESO 5.
Dr. Edilberto R. Abalos, Education Program Supervisor and Head of the R1AA Technical Committee.
Our host school division superintendent, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5.
Our Bishop of the Diocese of Alaminos, Most Reverend Ricardo L. Bacay.
Central and Regional Office Delegates.
Schools Division Superintendents, Assistant Schools Division Superintendents.
Division Sports Officers, Education Program Supervisors of the different learning areas, technical officials. And our friends from the media, ABS-CBN and GMA Networks.
School heads, coaches, trainers, athletes, guests, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Again,
Welcome to the Region 1 Athletic Association Meet 2018. My name is Alan Ross.
And I am Eliza.
We are your hosts for today. It feels great to be hosting this event with you, Eliza.
Yes, it's really cool to be sharing this stage with you as well. And you know, Alan, I'm so excited because this is the first time that our city is hosting this prestigious regional sports competition.
And of course, we are being watched via live streaming. So please check us out at R1AA 2018 Facebook, Mayor Art F. Celeste Facebook, and of course, the Province of Pangasinan official Facebook. Happy viewing! I'm sure everybody here right now is also excited for what will transpire on the next few days. So without further ado, may we request everybody to please stand for the singing of our Pambansang Awit, to be followed immediately by the ASEAN Hymn, Region 1 Hymn, Pangasinan Hymn, and Alaminos City Division Hymn, all to be led by the Alaminos City National High School Teachers Chorale, led by Choir Master Mr. Reynan P. Nepasqua.
Ang mamatay ng
remain standing for a prayer to be led by Most Reverend Ricardo L. Bacay, Bishop of the Diocese of Alaminos.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, source of all goodness, today we gather as one region for sports competition and will interact with brothers and sisters from different provinces and from 14 divisions of Region 1. We come together inspired by the belief espoused by the Department of Education that through sports we can transform and nurture lives. May this athletic meet be truly a source then of solidarity and strength for all of us who are now here in this beautiful city of Alaminos. For those who have come from different places, far and near jurisdictions, who constitute the region and are members of this athletic association. As we gather and compete, send, O Holy Father, your Holy Spirit to guide us and empower us to receive each other with a heart that is welcoming, with hands that would reach out to others, and especially with minds that rise above self-interest. Help us to understand that this athletic gathering challenges each one not only to showcase one's talents and physical prowess, but also calls us to show the spirit of camaraderie and sportsmanship. And so teach us, O Lord, to conduct a good fight. Teach us to accept also defeat with grace and victory with magnanimity. And so, Holy Father, continue to guide us throughout this event. Dear Heavenly Father, bless us with wisdom to understand that even when there are differences among us, sometimes glaring ones, these, even if you put them together, cannot outweigh that which is common in us, and that is the fact that we are all brothers, we are all sisters in God's loving plan, in your loving plan. You are our Father. We are all your children. We ask all this through your Son Jesus and through the maternal protection of the Blessed Mother. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
You may now be seated. And now to give us his welcome remarks, may we call in Dr. Danilo C. Sison, SESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent of Alaminos City. Our warmest applause, please.
Thank you very much, Sir Alan and Ma'am Lisa. Our guest of honor and speaker, the Undersecretary of DepEd for Legal Affairs and School Sites Titling, Attorney Alberto T. Moyot, sir. Of course, our keynote speaker, the man who is instrumental in the construction of this very beautiful oval, our very own Provincial Governor of Pangasinan, Honorable Amado Pugi Espino III, sir. Of course, the most Reverend Ricardo L. Bacay, Bishop of the Diocese of Alaminos, our guest governors from the other three provinces of Region 1, Honorable Maria Imelda Josefa R. Marcos, Governor of the province of Ilocos Norte, ably represented by the Vice Governor Angelo Barba. Palakpakan tayo man po. Honorable Ryan Luis V. Singson, Governor, Province of Ilocos Sur. And of course, Honorable Francisco Emmanuel Ortiga III, Governor, Province of La Union. Likewise, I would like also to acknowledge the Vice Governor of our very own province, Honorable Ferdinand Z. Kalimlim Jr., together with all the board members of the province of Pangasinan, Honorable Jeremias Singson, Vice Governor, Province of Ilocos Sur, and of course, the driving force behind the success of DepEd Region 1, our witty and gracious Regional Director, Dr. Alma Robisi Torio, CESO 3, Mount. The equally committed and competent Assistant Regional Director of DepEd Region 1, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong, CISO 5, sir. The Congressman of the 1st District of Pangasinan, Honorable Jesus F. Celeste. Let me give special mention to the board members of the 1st District of Pangasinan, Honorable Jose Antonio F. Sison and Honorable Napoleon C. Pontelera Jr. And of course, how can I forget the man behind all these preparations? The man who gave us all the inspirations to believe in ourselves that we can do it. Our very supportive Mayor, Mayor Arthur F. Celeste. Palakpakan po natin. Together with the support of the Vice Mayor of Alaminos City, Honorable Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez. And likewise, I would like to recognize the presence of all our Sangguniang Panlungsod councilors. Nandito po lahat sila sa likod. The LGU family of Alaminos, special mention to our city administrator, Dr. Emilio Guillado. My Somos, the 14 schools division superintendents of the 14 divisions of Region 1. My apology if I cannot mention your name one by one anymore. Together with the respective assistant schools division superintendents, the chief of the Region 1 Sports, Dr. Edelberto R. Avalos, together with all the staff of the regional office, R1AA technical and officiating officials, and of course, I would like also to recognize all the members of the SDO of Alaminos City, the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Aguilar Fernandez, and the equally competent chiefs of the CID and the SGOD. Dr. Sinden, and Dr. Biray, respectively. Likewise, our very industrious PNP Chief, Colonel Benji Ariola, together with the Chief of the Bureau of Fire Protection, Captain Iscanio, and of course, our partners in preparing all the balloting schools, all the barangay chairmen of Alaminos City, led by their ABC President, Honorable Raul Bakay. And likewise, I would like to make special mention to the President or to the Chair of the Education Committee of the City Council, Honorable Apple Bakay, peace officers, PTA officials and members, coaches and chaperons, and of course, the superstars of the next 5 days activity, the athletes, guests, friends, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. A famous author said, "Set your goals high and don't stop till you get there." For the city government of Alaminos and the schools division office, the same has assumed more meaning as we all gather here today for the 2018 Region 1 Athletic Association meet. This is because while some may have had the reservations that it can be done, today we find or we stand as proud host to the Region 1's biggest sports event. Hosting the R1AA was a goal so high and a challenge so great for us in Alaminos. Given the limited resources and facilities as a small city and a small schools division, but of course, with the strong support of our local government unit, led by our very own City Mayor, Art Celeste, together with the Vice Mayor and the City Council, and all the members of the LGU family and the DepEd family. Our beloved Governor, likewise, who readily extended his support so as to host this momentous event. Together with the Vice Governor, Honorable Ferdinand Kalimlim. We in Alaminos have challenged and pushed to the limits, but we are most happy to be of service to you. What we have to offer may not be the best and maybe a far cry from your expectations, but maybe the warm smile of our people, the peace and quiet of the city, the unique taste of our longganisa, the welcoming beauty of the 100 Islands, and much, much more compensate for whatever we are lacking. With 100 Islands, we all have 100 reasons to serve you. As we begin today, the 2018 R1AA meet, it is a singular honor for us to host our region's select athletes and coaches. The R1AA meet is undoubtedly an experience like no other. It affords every athlete the opportunity to bask in the glory and pride of winning, even as it also teaches magnanimity in losing. To our beloved athletes, don't forget that the best part of being here is not just about winning medals, but more importantly, it is about learning to be the best of oneself, of teamwork, of discipline, of winning friends, and most of all, learning to rise again after a painful defeat. Finally, our gratitude also goes to the DepEd Region 1, especially to Dr. Alma Rubisitorio for believing in us, for prodding us, for letting us taste our wings and go even further as a division. Welcome to the city of Alaminos, the home of the famous 100 Islands National Park. Mabuhay and God bless us all.
Once again, a big round of applause for our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Danilo C. Season.
We now proceed to the formal. For this time, let us listen to the City Vice Mayor of Alaminos City, Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez, for his welcome address. A resounding applause, please.
Thank you very much. Isang maganda at pagpalang hapon po sa ating lahat. Sa ating guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Alberto T. Muyot. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Undersecretary for Legal and Legislative Affairs and School Sites titling from the Department of Education. Ang ating keynote speaker, ang amaho ng ating probinsya ng Pangasinan, ang masipag na gobernador ng Pangasinan. Palakpakan po natin, Governor Amado Pogi Espino III. Palakpakan po natin. Kasama ang kanyang mga lokal na opisyales at ang buong delegasyon ng lalawigan ng Pangasinan. At syempre po, ang ama ng ating lungsod ng Alaminos na nag-host po sa atin ngayong taon na ito, Mayor Arthur F. Celeste. Palakpakan po natin. Kasama po ang bumubuo ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Alaminos City at ang buong sangguniang panglungsod. Our Most Reverend Father Ricardo Bacay, the Bishop of the Diocese of Alaminos, Governor Amy Marcos, ang kanyang mga kasamahan na kasamang lokal na opisyales at ang buong delegasyon ng Ilocos Norte, ably represented by Vice Governor Angelo Barba, Governor Ryan Singson, at ang kanyang delegasyon from Ilocos Sur, represented by Ms. Cara Peredo, at Governor Ortega at ang mga kanyang kasamahan mula sa lokal na opisyales ng delegasyon ng lalawigan ng La Union. Dr. Alma Ruby Torio, our Regional Director for DepEd Region 1, Dr. Danilo C. Season, CESO 6, our Division Superintendent ng Alaminos City Schools Division, at lahat po ng Division Superintendents ng Region 1 na narito po ngayong gabing ito. Lahat ng atleta, coaches, guests, manlalaro, lahat po ng bisita, sa atin pong lahat, isang napakainit na pagtanggap po namin sa inyo dito po sa lungsod ng Alaminos. Sa unang pagkakataon, ang lungsod ng Alaminos ang host ng ating Region 1 Athletic Association Meet. Nagagalak po kami na makapunta po kayo dito sa amin, sa Western Pangasinan, kung saan matatagpuan ang ipinagmamalaki nating 100 Islands National Park. At nagpapasalamat po kami sa DepEd Alaminos City Schools Division sa kanilang pagpursigi na dito sa lungsod ng 100 Islands gaganapin ang pinakamalaking sporting event dito sa ating rehiyon. Alam ko na po na excited po ang bawat isa po sa atin magtagisan ng galing at talento sa iba't ibang sports. We eagerly look on while our youth create history, beat records, and set new standards in sports this year. And as a trademark in sports, we hope to see tremendous demonstration of discipline, focus, respect, and teamwork as individuals and teams pour forth their best efforts in winning for their respective cities and municipalities. Sa pamamagitan po ng ating mga manlalaro, nais po nating maipakita na ang sports ay makabuluhang pagtutuunan ng oras na tumutulong ito sa pagbuo natin bilang isang karakter at bilang isang tao. We hope to see more young people immersed in sports as a positive experience, and we hope for an increase in sports activities in our region. In the end, we aim for the increased supports from all sectors, from our parents, our local government, our schools, and our students themselves, so that together we achieve our goal of one DepEd, one region, nurturing and transforming lives through sports. Nandito po ang buong delegasyon ng Region 1. At sa ngalan po ng ating pamilya ng Sangguniang Panglungsod at ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Alaminos, headed by Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, and our Provincial Governor, Governor Amado Pogi Espino III, ipagpatuloy po natin ang pagbuo ng isang matatag na sistema para po sa ating kabataan. Alagaan po natin ang ating kabataan at sama-sama po nating itaguyod at ipakita po ang maliwanag na kinabukasan po para sa kanilang lahat. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang manlalarong Pilipino at ang maligayang pagdating po sa ating lungsod ng Alaminos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, our City Vice Mayor of Alaminos, Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez. Let us give him another resounding applause.
We now proceed to the formal turnover of the R1AA banner. So may we request Ilocos Sur Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson. It will be represented by Provincial Administrator Cara Michelle Peredo, together with Ilocos Sur Vice Governor Jeremias Jerry C. Singson, and Schools Division Superintendent of Ilocos Sur, Ms. Gemma Q. Takuykoy, CESO 5. The host of the 2017 R1AA, to please stand in front and face our delegates.
May we also request Alameda City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, Alameda City Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez, and of course, Schools Division Superintendent of Alameda City, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5, the host of this year's R1AA meet. So please come to the front and face also our delegates. This time, may we call in the members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Alaminos as follows.
Councilor Apollonia G. Bacay, Presiding Officer Pro Tempore, Chairperson, Health, Education, Culture, Arts, and Public Information.
Councilor Cirilo B. Radoc, Chairperson, Finance, Appropriations, Ways, and Means.
Councilor Rufina J. Gabriel, Majority Floor Leader, Chairperson in Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Livelihood, and Cooperatives.
Councilor Marjelu Orange Humilde Versosa, Minority Floor Leader, Chairperson, Labor, Trade, Industry, and Commerce, OFW.
Councilor Joselito O. Fontelera, Chairperson, Environmental Protection, Sanitation, and Waste Management.
Councilor Caroline D. Sison, Chairperson of the Tourism, Family and Social Welfare, Women, Persons with Disabilities, and Senior Citizens.
Councilor Alfred Felix E. De Castro, Chairperson, Laws, Rules, Procedures, and Ordinances, Ethics and Accountability, and Human Rights.
Councilor Froybel A. Ranoy, Chairperson, Transportation, Market and Slaughter, Public Utilities and Facilities.
Councilor Rani S. De Leon, Chairperson, Public Works Infrastructure, Land Utilization, Housing, Planning and Development.
We also have Councilor Perlito V. Rabago, Chairperson, Peace and Order, Police Matters, Drug Abuse, Anti-Gambling, and Public Safety.
LBP Raul Bacay, ex-officio member, Chairperson, Barangay Affairs and Sports Development.
And now may we call in the bearer of Region 1 banner, Aaron D. Razote, Boy Scout of the Philippines, Alameda City National High School.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now witness the formal turnover of the R1AA banner by Ilocos Sur Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson. It will be represented by Provincial Administrator Cara Michelle Peredo, together with Ilocos Sur Vice Governor Jeremias Jerry C. Singson and Schools Division Superintendent of Ilocos Sur, Miss Gemma Q. Takuykoy, CESO 5, the host of the 2017 R1AA.
Accepted by Alameda City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, Alameda City Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez, and the Schools Division Superintendent of Alameda City, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, the host of this year's R1AA, as witnessed by the Sangguniang Panlungsod ng Alaminos.
Let us give them another resounding applause.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the man of action who is responsible for the remarkable changes and development of this beautiful city, which is truly for all, as he gives his acceptance message. Let us all welcome City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Bago po ako magbigay ng maiksing mensahe sa napaka-memorableng araw sa lungsod ng Alaminos, gusto ko po munang bigyang pugay at bigyang galang ang ating pong mga bisita na galing pa po sa iba't ibang lugar. Gusto ko pong bigyang galang at bigyang pugay ang ating guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Alberto Moyot, sir. Ang ating pong isa sa pinakamataas na opisyal ng Department of Education, at ako po ay masayang masaya dahil sa isang taon, 3 beses po tayong binisita dito ni Undersecretary Moyot, sir. Thank you so much. At syempre po, kung wala po ang ating keynote speaker, wala po tayo ngayon sa lugar na ito. Kung makikita po ninyo ang lugar na ito, 2 buwan nang nakakaraan, hindi po ganito ang lugar na ito. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa kanya, at dahil po sa kanyang napakalaking suporta, na bago niya ang imahe ng sports sa lungsod ng Alaminos, gusto ko pong bigyang pugay at bigyang galang ang ating masipag na gobernador, Governor Amado Pugi Espino, sir. Siyempre po ang kapamilya natin sa DepEd, nandito po si Director Alma, Dr. Kapulong, sir. At maraming salamat din po, Director Chito Castro ng Office of the Civil Defense. full force po ang kanilang mga empleyado galing pa ng rehiyon para po mag-asiste sa ating 5 araw na okasyon dito po sa ating lungsod. Sa mga kasama po natin sa lokal na pamahalaan, dito po ang ating mga kasama sa 3 probinsya. Governor Amy Marcos, nandito po ang kanyang kasama po ng kanyang representative. Governor Singson, dito rin po sila. Kasama po nila ang kanilang mga opisyales. At sa governor, mga mayors na nandito, Mayor Gualberto, pare, maaga kang dumating dito, ang mayor po ng San Fernando. Andito rin po ang 3 mayors ng ating lungsod kanina, si Mayor Belen Fernandez, Mayor Risuelio, Mayor Belen, Mayor Perez, at sino pa? Albert Chua ng City of Batak, boss. At syempre po ang ating Most Reverend Bishop Rick Bakay. So ang aking pong kapartner dito sa lungsod ng Alaminos, dito po ang ating kasama po natin ang ating Vice Mayor Anton Perez at ang ating 11 konsihal. Nandito po sila at ang pamilya ng DepEd na magbuhat po nung tinanggap namin ang hosting ng R1AA, halos araw-araw po kaming nagkikita. Dr. Danny Sison, sir. So maiksi na lang po ang aking mensahe, mga minamahal na kababayan sa buong Rehiyon 1, dahil nakita ko po ang programa, napakarami po naming, meron pa pong maraming magsasalita dito. Mahirap naman po kung abutin tayo ng alas 10 dito, gugutumin ang mga athletes natin. Baka mamaya hindi kayo makatakbo bukas. So ang aking pong mensahe, mga minamahal na kababayan natin, unang-una, gusto ko pong magpasalamat at bumati sa ating lahat. Unang-una, siyempre po, gusto kong magpasalamat sa ating poong may kapal dahil siya po ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo lahat. Binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon sa buong Rehiyon 1 para po tayo magtipon-tipon para ipakita ang ating mga talento sa larangan ng sports. At gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Department of Education na pinungunahan ng ating Secretary Briones, at nandito po ang ating Undersecretary Muyot, at syempre sa ating napakasipag na Director Almar Turio at ng kanyang Assistant Regional Director sa kanila pong napakalaking suporta sa okasyon na ito. Maraming salamat, Madam Director, kasi po when this was proposed to us by Director Alma na mag-host ng R1AA, tinanggap po kagad namin ni Dr. Danny. Akala ko ganun kadali. So ang hirap pala. So hindi namin alam na ganito kahirap. So ang preparation natin ay 2 buwan lang. But nakita ko, ginawa naman po namin ang lahat ng aming makakaya para po kayo ay aming bibisitahin dito ng 5 araw sa aming lungsod. Kaya sa mga minamahal naming atleta, sa mga minamahal naming schools division officials sa buong Rehiyon 1, kung ano man po sana ang pagkukulang ng aming lungsod sa aming pag-host sa R1AA, kasama ko po si Dr. Danny na humingi ng konting pangunawa. Pero tulad po ng aming promisa sa inyo, gagawin po namin ang aming makakaya para maging makasaysayan at maging memorable ang inyong pagbisita sa aming lungsod. Nagpapasalamat po ako ng lubos sa ating butihing gobernador. Dahil nung tinanggap po namin ang hosting ng R1AA, sabi ko kay Director Alma, ma'am, wala po kaming facilities sa lungsod ng Alaminos. Wala kaming oval, wala kaming swimming pool. So sabi sa akin ni Ma'am Alma, hindi Mayor, basta tanggapin mo lang ang pag-hosting ng R1AA, pwede naman nating gawin sa Lingayen ang track and field at pwede nating gawin ang swimming sa Dagupan City. So sa madalit salita, tinanggap po namin ang hamon na kami ang mag-host ng R1AA ngayong taon at pagkatapos po naming desisyonan ni Sir Danny, agad-agad po kaming umattend sa flag ceremony sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Humingi po kami ng audience sa ating butihing gobernador at ito po ang hiningi ng aming lungsod. Ito pong lugar na nakikita nyo ngayong araw na ito. Ito pong lugar na ito, mahigit 1,000 dump truck ng probinsya ang nagtambak nito. Itong asphalting na ito, itong mga stage na ito na alam kong iiwanan na ito ni Gob sa atin, hindi na niya ito babawiin dahil regalo na niya ito sa lungsod ng Alaminos. At mag-uusap po kami mamaya. Pagtulong-tulungan namin, kasama ko po si Congressman Boying, ako at si Governor. By next year, marabarize itong oval na ito. So, syempre po, maraming salamat sa Office of the Civil Defense, sa simbahan po, napakalaki ng suporta ng bawat sektor dito sa atin, sa amin, sa lokal na pamahalaan, at sa lahat ng mga sektor na tumulong sa atin. Ang Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire, yun lang po ang aking gustong iparating sa inyo, ang aming personal na pagpapasalamat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga tatlong mayors, mga mayors natin sa Pangasinan. Si Mayor Bubong Perez, nagpadala po ng 2 fire truck. Si Mayor Risuelio, nandito po ang kanyang water tank at mga portalet. Si Mayor Belen, nandito po ang kanilang fire truck. At gusto ko rin pong magpasalamat kay Chairman Butch Ramirez ng Philippine Sports Commission dahil 2 close van ang dinala po na ang pumunta po sa Maynila para lang po kunin ang lahat ng mga equipments ng Philippine Sports Commission. Sila po, kung ano po yung nakikita ninyong equipments ngayon, karamihan po dyan hiningi at hiniram natin sa Philippine Sports Commission. Kasama ko po ang ating butihing congressman ng Abono Party List, being the chairman of the Committee on Sports. Nagpasama po ako kay Chairman Booth sa kanya at ito po ang kanyang naitulong sa atin, Congressman Conrad Estrella. So maraming salamat din po kay Congressman Conrad Estrella at syempre sa aming congressman na aking kapatid, si Congressman Boying Celeste na lagi pong sumusuporta sa lahat ng mga programa dito sa Primero Distrito at saka yung mga mayors ng First District, nandito rin po ang kanilang mga fire truck. So, yun lang po, isa lang po ang masasabi ko sa ating lahat na nandito ngayon, sa ating mga atleta, sa ating mga schools, divisions, officials. Isang pamilya po tayo na maglalaro sa larangan ng sports. Ipakita po natin ang ating talento sa larangan ng sports. Maging parehas po tayo sa lahat ng bagay na lalaruin natin sa 5 araw dito po sa ating lungsod, sa aming lungsod. At ang ating pong lahat po tayo rito ay isang pamilya na ang paghahandaan nating lahat ay yung palarong pambansa na tayo rin ang mag-host dito. So kung sino man po ang palarin na mananalo sa patimpalak na ito, sa sports event na ito, kayo po ang magre-representa ng ating rehiyon. Kaya tayong lahat dito ay isang pamilya, tayong lahat dito ay iisa ang adhikain. Ang may pakita natin, ang tamang pamamaraan sa pamamagitan ng sports. So welcome po kayo dito sa aming lungsod at tinatanggap po namin ang hosting ng R1AA dito po sa Region 1. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
Muli, maraming salamat at bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang aming pinakamamahal na alkalde dito sa lungsod ng Alaminos. Walang iba kundi si City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste. Mahal na mahal namin ang aming mayor.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the parade of banners by delegation representatives.
For Ilocos Norte, we have Jaywin Godoy.
For Lawag City, Richmond Corpus.
For Batac City, John Lloyd Parawan.
For Ilocos Sur, Joseph Lubera.
For Candon City, Manny Lodevico.
For Vigan City, Rodel Formoso.
For La Union, Senamar Lardizabal.
For San Fernando City, Jason Atos Dranreb Emocling.
For Pangasinan 2, Isidro Tanael Jr.
For Pangasinan 1, Emmanuel James Macaranas.
For Urdaneta City, Maria Jona Liza Abutas.
For San Carlos City, Julius C. Soriano.
For Dagupan City, Angela De La Cruz.
For Alaminos City, Francis Ramil Anthony Fernandez.
Carrying the banner of Region 1, we have Aaron D. Razote of Alaminos City.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the outstanding athletes who bring glory and honor to their beloved divisions in their respective sports events. Let us give them a warm round of applause.
Let us now proceed to the hoisting of the Region 1 Athletic Association meet banner by City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, City Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez, Regional Director Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torio, CESO 3, and of course, Assistant Regional Director Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong, CESO 5.
At this juncture, may we request all our schools division superintendents, along with the assistant schools division superintendents, division sports officers, and local government unit officials to please go near your respective poles for the hoisting of delegation banners.
But of course, we'll be hoisting the R1AA banner by City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, City Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Y. Perez, Regional Director Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio, and Assistant Regional Director Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong. Are you guys ready? Let us have first the hoisting of the R1AA banner. At a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga mahal na pinuno dito po sa Region 1. Once again, thank you so much to our equally hardworking and dynamic delegation officials who give their 100% of support to their coaches, most especially to their athletes, who give glory and honor to our beloved Region 1. Palakpakan po natin sila! May we invite here on stage our 14 equally hardworking schools division superintendents. Once again, may we request our 14 equally hardworking schools division superintendents to please join us here on stage. Thank you.
This time, we shall now witness the torch relay and lighting of the friendship, peace, and unity urn by Ana Marie P. Eugenio, Palarong Pambansa gold medalist, athletics 400-meter hurdles, and the following R1AA gold medalists. Maria Luisa Maliari, athletics 4x400-meter relay. Sheila Marie Becles, athletics 4x400-meter relay. April May Rindon, athletics 4x400-meter relay. Rhea Christine Rafanan, athletics triple jump. Feliz Isabel Tamayo, table tennis doubles. Marvy Ann Lopez, table tennis. Beautiful Hope Marsan, badminton doubles. Gabriel Nisi Abarquez, lawn tennis singles.
Along with Mr. Porfirio Marzan Jr., known as June Marzan of Alaminos City, who was a former PBA player under Ginebra San Miguel from 1994 to 1995 and the defunct Formula Shell Squad in 2002, and rose to win the Mr. Quality Minutes Award in 1995.
And Mr. Lordy Tugade, former PBA player known as the Alaminos Assassin for his 3-point shooting. Alaminos. is always been grateful because he is an alumnus of this school, the Alaminos City National High School, and was named the most valuable player in his PBA career during the 2005 Fiesta Conference.
We acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Attorney Cristel Singson of Candon City.
Ladies and gentlemen, a resonating applause for Mr. Porfirio Marsan Jr. and Mr. Lorde Tugade.
We also have, of course, City Councilor and Chairperson of the Committee on Education, Podonia A. Bakay. Let us all give them a resounding applause. May we request all our athletes to please face our outstanding athletes out there to witness the lighting of the Friendship, Peace, and Unity urn. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give them a resounding applause. We acknowledge the presence of Attorney Cristel Singson, City Councilor of Batak City. We acknowledge the presence of Attorney Cristel Singson, City Councilor of Candon City. May we request all our 1, 2,
3!
This time, let us have the releasing of balloons by all our schools division superintendents and assistant schools division superintendents, together with our regional director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio, and assistant regional director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong. May we request all our schools division superintendents, together with their assistant schools division superintendents, or regional director, and assistant regional director, please face our athletes. So, to our dear athletes, who do you think, what balloon will fly or soar the highest? Is it your delegation? Let me hear your screams! Wala pa po, wait lang. Excited ang ating mga SDS. Luminya po tayo ng maayos. Bago natin paliparin ang mga lobo, hello? Pwede bang pumalakpak ang mga atleta
na may kasamang hiyawan? Hindi ko marinig. Isa pa. Ayan.
So, bibilang kami ng 3. Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3! Kanino or anong division ang naunang lumipad? Ano po? Region 1. Thank you so much once again to our schools division superintendents, together with their assistant schools division superintendents. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Sports teach us the value of sportsmanship. The ability to accept defeat wholeheartedly is a sign of maturity and a requisite skill for success. This time, let us now have Ana Marie P. Eugenio, palarong pambansa gold medalist, to lead the oath of amateurism and sportsmanship.
Fellow athletes, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the athletes, representing the different divisions participating in this R1AA 2018 meet, do hereby declare that we are amateurs and do pledge ourselves to compete in this game in the spirit of sportsmanship. So help me God. On my honor, I do solemnly pledge to do honor to myself and to my team, play games with a will to win, and ever prepared to lose nobly to my match, to prove my deeds, my beliefs, that self-conquest is the first and best victory. Never yield to anger, on impulse or emotion. To participate self-control at all times, and to show consideration for all, especially to opponents. Never sacrifice sportsmanship for personal advantage. And finally, to be noble in defeat and to be generous in victory. So help me God.
There you have her, ladies and gentlemen, Ana Marie P. Eugenio, palarong pambansa, gold medalist, proud Alaminian. Palakpakan po natin siya.
At this juncture, may we call in Dr. Edilberto R. Abalos, Education Program Supervisor and Head of the R1AA Technical Committee for the Oath of Technical Officials.
Technical officials, are you still there? Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the technical officials, hereby solemnly swear that we shall officiate in this 2018 R1AA meet with complete impartiality and do hereby promise to perform our respective duties and responsibilities to the best of our abilities in the highest degree of professionalism, honesty, and integrity in the true spirit of fair play. So help us God.
Thank you so much, Education Program Supervisor and Head of the R1AA Technical Committee for the Oath. Thank you so much. At this juncture, of course, this event will not be complete without listening to the messages coming from the equally hardworking and dedicated public servants who are with us tonight. Starting off with the Governor of the Province of Ilocos Norte, Maria Imelda Josefa R. Marcos, ably represented by Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba. For his message, let us give him a resounding applause.
Isunay tinagina, apo kitutudo, mula man ulay kay nakablaawan, iti nasisang sangayang nga sangaili tayo. Our Governor of the Province of Pangasinan, awan sa Bali, no saan, ani Honorable Amado Espino III, better known as Amado Pogi Espino III. Hasta pa po kablaawak iti host sa city tayo, Mayor Arthur Celeste, dagiti dumadumapay nga umay di maray dito ay Region 1 Athletic Association meet. Dagiti dumadu mga mayores po, dagiti padak, ibabaon iti umili. Other distinguished guests, our most Reverend Bishop Ricardo Bacay, the athletes, na kay amin na po, nga imay, timabunod, lagupin kay amin, kablawang kayo, tinaimbagan rabii, It's a real honor for me to be joining you today as we open the 2018 Region 1 Athletic Association meet. A perfect avenue for us to be united as a region in recognizing and encouraging the potentials of the youth in the field of sports. Indeed, it is through this event that we can spur the values of sportsmanship and camaraderie to every young individual who are here with us. Let us not just see this as a plain competition nor recreation. Rather, consider it as one step forward to transforming the lives of our athletes and develop positive citizenship among the youth. And before I continue, I would like to greet our Regional Director, DepEd Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby Torio, and the DepEd family. This year's theme, One DepEd, One Region, Nurturing and Transforming Lives Through Sports, urges us to be united in reaching greater heights. Our very own Governor of the province of Ilocos Norte, Amy Marcos, recognizes the benefits of sports beyond the physical and mental development of a person. It also plays a vital role in building positive skills and values necessary for holistic development. Sports also promote timpuyog, or unity among the people of this region, as it reinforces us together to aim for a common goal. Timpuyog, as we all know, is a centuries-old trait unique to the Ilocano culture, which has been instrumental to the transformation and growth of all our provinces in recent years. It is without doubt that we can accomplish so much more when we stand united and supportive of one another. It is also important to recognize that our athletes, together with their coaches, have come this far all hoping and fighting to bring honor to their respective cities and provinces. I can see that hope continues to keep them going, keep them dreaming, and aiming to being akin to athletes all over the world who have had opportunities to be trained ceaselessly until earning the honor of representing their countries in international events like the Olympics or the Southeast Asian Games. I am certain that these athletes began with their sports journey in small strides, but persevered with unyielding their determination and a constant goal for excellence. It is through hard work and perseverance that brought them to every grand sports events. This being said, may I thus cheer our athletes, especially the delegation of Ilocos Norte. Ilocos Norte. We in the provincial government look forward to the day you compete and make your name in the national and international sports, like our great Ilocano athletes. In chess, we have from Pasukin, the chess wizard Mage Sebastian, the Iron Man in Southeast Asia, Jason Sid, the Ilocano Shark, and before that, the PBA, we have Ed Dakiwag, and the Ilocano Shark in the breaststroke swimming, Teofilo Ildefonso, who was the first Filipino to win multiple medals in the Olympics. 2 bronzes in 1928 and 1932. We in the provincial government of Ilocos Norte would want to convey this message of encouragement and recognition to our athletes and coaches. We are certain that you are the key in honing the country's next generation of finest sports professionals. We strongly believe that our regional athletes possesses the capabilities to be at par with national and international athletes. As such, we are constantly being inspired by all of you, young athletes and coaches alike, in upholding the true value of hard work and perseverance, and in transforming the lives of every Ilocano people here in the Ilocos region. Beyond the need of recreation or challenges in competitions, may we always remember to look back what the Region 1 Athletic Association aims for. Let us be reminded that it is through this event that we hone our talent and capabilities, develop our sportsmanship and camaraderie, and take pride in our integrity and unity to transform lives through sports. On behalf of the Honorable Governor Amy Marcos, kaya't kuman nakablawang kay amin, itinaimbag na rabii, timpuyog, timay sa region, mabuhay ang Ilocos Norte, mabuhay ang Region 1 Athletic Association Meet, Diyos unay tiyangina.
Thank you, Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba. Another resonating applause, please. This time, we shall now listen to the governor of the province of Ilocos Sur, Ryan Luis V. Singson, ably represented by the provincial administrator, Cara Michelle Peredo, for another message. Our warmest applause, please.
Most Reverend Ricardo Bacay, our guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Albert Muyot, the Undersecretary for Legal and Legislative Affairs, of course, the Governor of Pangasinan, Governor Amado Pogi Espino III, the Mayor of Alaminos, Mayor Arthur Celeste, and the city councilors of the host city headed by the Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Perez, Director Alma Rubitorio, the delegation officials, schools, division superintendents, and the LGUs and officials of the different towns and cities of Region 1. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una ho, humihingi ng paumanhin si Governor Ryan Singson ng Ilocos Sur na hindi po siya nakadalo ngayon. But please allow me, being the provincial administrator, to read his message for all of you. Sports has always been a symbol of health, strength, and team unity. Today, the athletes of Region 1 meet to again prove themselves worthy of being representatives of the province. Thus, as you get ready for the events set today, prepare carefully. Have a clear mind, just enough food intake to sustain your energy, and play fair. Remember that it's your attitude that defines who you are as an athlete. Be humble in success and celebrate with humility. As for defeats, there will always be times of failures, and we should be open to this. It doesn't mean you have to give up. It simply means you are being trained to push yourself more as you can do more. It is how you accept defeat, which reflects how you chose to stand again. To our parents, coaches, and trainers, I thank you for always guiding our youth in their respective sports endeavors. Let's be more patient, especially in training them to become better. It takes time to sculpt a perfect art, they say, and this is also true in sharpening the skills of an athlete. May we all embrace this year's R1AA meet with excitement, and we look forward for a more unified team spirit. Let us give our best in the games and enjoy the precious victories. I am looking forward to seeing you all again on April 15 of this year for the Palarong Pambansa 2018. It has been a good journey last year. Now it's time to play. God bless our prayers and a pleasant day to all of us.
Thank you, Ms. Cara Michelle Peredo.
This time, let us put our hands together for the Governor of the Province of La Union, Francisco Emmanuel R. Ortega III, ably represented by the Provincial Board Member, Nancy M. Bacurnay, for another message.
Thank ma'am. Undersecretary Attorney Albert Muyot, Governor Pogi Espino, Vice Governor Barba, Administrator Ma'am Cara. Sabi ko kanina kami ang governors ngayon po. City Mayors and Municipal Mayors, Mayor Celeste, Sangguniang Panlalawigan members, other government officials, DepEd Regional Director Ma'am Alma Ruby, DepEd officials, coaches, and athletes, kada kayo amin na imbag nga biyo po. Palubusan dak nga rud nga mangibasa, iti mensahe ti ingungutan mi nga Gobernador Francisco Emmanuel Pacoy R. Ortega III. Idanon na ti panagdispensar na iti kaawan na tata ditoy ngam He is with us in spirit. Good evening. On behalf of the provincial government and the people and province of La Union, especially the athletes and officials representing our home province, allow me to extend our most heartfelt thanks to Governor Amado Espino III of the province of Pangasinan, as well as Alaminos City Mayor Arthur Celeste and Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Danilo Sison for inviting and hosting all of us for the 2018 Region 1 Athletic Association meet. Thank you also to our friends and partners from the Department of Education, especially our guest of honor and speaker, Undersecretary Attorney Alberto Muyot. This would not have been possible without your commitment and passion. The theme for this year's meet, One DepEd, One Region, Nurturing and Transforming Lives Through Sports. The elements of unity, nurturing, and transformation holds true to all of us, especially in La Union. Our vision for transforming the lives of the people of the province is rooted in our vision to transform La Union to become the heart of agritourism in northern Luzon. We will nurture the natural resources and beauty of La Union, working together as one people and one province towards progress and prosperity for all. Our inspiration for our transformation is our love for La Union. Everything that we do is for the love of La Union. We extend that love to all of you here tonight, especially our young athletes, coaches, and officials competing and working together for this to be the best Region 1 Athletic Association meet yet. You have our deepest admiration. Your determination and desire to be the best you can possibly be and to harness your potential not only in sports but in life is true to the fighting spirit and sense of sportsmanship of our region. Your passion and commitment are inspiration to us all. In closing, let me share this quote with you. I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I have missed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Unquote. None other than the great basketball legend Michael Jordan said that, "Win or lose, always believe in yourselves and never give up. That is what makes you a true champion." Godspeed and good luck to all of you. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you so much. We acknowledge the presence of Mayor Hermenegildo Dong Gualberto of San Fernando City. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
And to do the honor of introducing both our guests of honor and speaker and our keynote speaker, may we call in our brilliant and ever beautiful Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio. A resounding applause, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honor of introducing our guest of honor and speaker for tonight, let us all welcome our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong. Let us give him a resounding applause.
Good evening to each and everyone. My dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Undersecretary for Legal and Legislative Affairs and school site titling of Department of Education. Friends, the Honorable Attorney Alberto T. Muyot.
Thank you very much, ARD Nick Capulong, for that introduction. I specifically asked him not to read my CV for the introduction because it will be longer than what I have to say. But please let me acknowledge the friends who are in the presidential table who have really made the effort to make all of this possible. Governor Amado Pogi Espino III. Okay, thank you. I was counting the number of times I've been in your province, and I realized that it is the province that I had visited the most in the past 8 years that I've been in DepEd. I cannot even count. I think I must have visited Pangasinan more than 3 dozen times, and I visited all of the divisions of Pangasinan. And Governor Amy Marcos, who I saw the other night in UP, thank you, Vice Governor Angelo Marcos Barba, for coming over and gracing the occasion. Governor Ryan Luis Singson of Ilocos Sur, who I remember was really so nervous during the bidding for the Palaro. And thank you, Administrator Cara Peredo, for being here. Governor Francisco Emmanuel Ortega III of La Union, represented by my good friend, board member Nancy Bacurnay, who I've had the opportunity to spend many days with inspecting all of the schools in the province of Ilocos Sur. I'm sorry, La Union. So, our director, Director Alma Ruby Torrio, and our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nick Capulong, Most Reverend Ricardo Bacay, the Bishop of Alaminos. Good evening, sir. Of course, Mayor Arthur Celeste of Alaminos City, and it is correct. I visited Alaminos City for the 3rd time this year. That is also a record, Mayor. And I really enjoy each and every visit, and I look forward to the next one.
and to the other mayors who are here, Mayor Albert Chua of Batac City, Mayor Dong Gilberto of San Fernando City, Mayor Amadeo Perez IV of Urdaneta, who was here earlier, Mayor Juceres Resuello of San Carlos City, who was also here earlier, Mayor Belen Fernandez of Dagupan City, who I've worked with many times during the past 8 years, OCD Director Chito Castro, thank you very much, and of course our SDSS and ASDSS, led by SDS Danny Sison and ASDS Aguedo Fernandez, who really worked so hard to make this possible. To the heads and officials of the 14 delegations and the R1AA technical and officiating officials, thank you very much, and everyone else who are here. But of course, the night is for our athletes. And I would want to greet all of our athletes a pleasant evening. It is such an honor to speak in front of our young athletes who have trained so hard and waited so long for this day. I know that many of you are already growing impatient, but please bear with me for 2 minutes. As we all know, sports is a vital component in the development of every student's physical and mental well-being. Physical activities can develop strategic and analytical thinking, which we are promoting through our junior high and senior high school programs. Likewise, it promotes confidence and leadership skills. It also shows that all the hard work pays off in the end. This year, we will stand witness as our young athletes compete and learn the joy of victory, as well as the acceptance of defeat. Each of you will experience sportsmanship and camaraderie, and understand that it is never just about winning or losing, but how each game is played with fairness and graciousness. The Department of Education believes in emphasizing sports as a vital component of basic education. We have addressed the needs of talented students in different sports disciplines through Republic Act 10588, which institutionalizes the annual Palarong Pambansa. So such that the winners of the regional meet, R1AA, will represent Region 1 in the national level Palarong Pambansa, which will be conducted in Ilocos Sur in April. This regional athletic meet is an avenue for providing in-school sports opportunities to improve the physical, intellectual, and social well-being of the youth. These traits that all of you will develop throughout the competition are solid pillars in addressing the challenges of life. May this event foster self-discipline, teamwork, and excellence in our student athletes for the continuous development of both body and mind. Together with the local government units and all of our stakeholders, we will take a very, very proactive role in the promotion of sport events like regional and national palaros by providing incentives, awards, and our best efforts to inspire all of you in reaching your goals. Mabuhay and good luck to all of you. Maraming salamat po.
There you have him once again, our guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Alberto T. Muyot, Undersecretary for Legal Affairs and School Sites Titling. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbisita sa aming magandang syudad ng Alaminos. Palakpakan po natin minsan pa, Attorney Alberto T. Muyot.
Once again, to do the honor of introducing our keynote speaker, may we call in our hardworking and ever beautiful Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio. Our warmest applause, please.
Thank you very much. Before anything else, I am joining Mayor Art Celeste, Vice Mayor Perez, and SDS Danny Season in welcoming you to our 2018 Region 1 Athletic Meet. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank our local chief executives, all our local officials, and all our education partners for their unending support to our 14 schools, division superintendents, and the entire DepEd family in the implementation of all our DepEd programs, activities, and projects like this R1AA. And of course, I would like to thank Mayor Art Celeste and the entire city government of Alaminos City for hosting all of us. Just day one of our R1AA, we had already experienced colorful and meaningful activities. But of course, our opening ceremonies or day one of our R1AA will not be complete if I will not give to you our keynote speaker. Just like ARD Kapulong, I was instructed not to read his bio notes, although I am tempted to share with you the very inspiring bio notes of our keynote speaker. And so, to all our education partners, to the DepEd family, most especially to our athletes, it's my singular honor to introduce to all of you our keynote speaker, the father of the province of Pangasinan, the Honorable Amado Ignacio Espino III. We fondly call him Governor Pogi.
Thank you very much to our RD, Madam Alma Ruby Torrio. Palakpakan po natin sila. To our guest of honor and speaker, palakpakan po natin Yusek Alberto Muyot. Palakpakan po natin. Sir, welcome again to Pangasinan. To my fellow governors for tonight, BM Nancy Bacornay, palakpakan po natin. PAA Provincial Administrator of Ilocos Sur, Madam Cara, Vice Governor Angelo Barba, our host City Mayor of Alaminos City, Mayor Art Celeste, and of course Vice Mayor Anton and the City Council of Alaminos City, DepEd family, Bishop Ricardo Bacay, to our city mayors who are here, kada kayo aming kakabsat nga nagaputi Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Canla Union, fellow public servants from the different national agencies, kapadak nga kaprobinsya nga taga Pangasinan, Kailian, and of course, Ray Kabaluyan mi, yan ang lapod, Aromia Balay, dyan intiron probinsya ng Pangasinan, sa inyong pong lahat, para wala po kong makalimutan, and especially to your athletes, na imbag nga rabii, masantotan, maabig, alabid, sigay namin, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Amoyot isang karigatan, no agsauka, no sikati maudi, kas lamang manganti balay. No medyo maudi ka, itip, timabati kanya, maapo, tikinaado, tinagsaot at tangarabi. Dakdakal la, suminsaya, interda, galor, sutinatelak, edsyak. Sabi ko po doon, pag sa mga Tagalog, tutong na po ang natira sa akin. Kaya nga po, maiksi lang aking mensahe, bilang gobernador po ng probinsya ng Pangasinan at isa rin pong tao na nagmamahal sa sports. Alam ko po mga atleta, kanina pa kayo uhaw, kanina po kayo gutom. Baka siguro iba na pong iniisip nyo sa amin. Sumigaw at pumalakpak ang mga atleta ng Region 1. Sumigaw at pumalakpak ang mga nagmamahal sa sports. Sumigaw at pumalakpak ang mga nagmamahal sa magulang. Sumigaw at pumalakpak ang mga nagmamahal sa magandang kinabukasan. Bilang isang taong nagmamahal sa sports, I have learned one thing. Pag ikaw po ay may kalaban, para pong buhay yan. Ang sports, parang buhay. Pag ikaw ay may kalaban,
Minsan ikaw ay natatalo, gusto mong manggulang. It brings out the worst in you. Ang hiling ko po sa inyo, mga atleta, it must always, pagdating man sa sports o sa buhay, ano man ang kalaban natin, it must always brings out the best in you. Para po dapat tayong kalamansi na habang pinipiga, lumalabas po ang ating asim. Ito po ang dahilan kung bakit narito tayong lahat. Radtoy tayo amin apok, may isang rason laang to bring out the best in us. Meron po tayong isang goal ngayong araw sa 5 araw na ating competition, RAA, to reach one goal, to win. Pero pag alis nyo po dito sa City of Alaminos at sa mahal po namin probinsya ng Pangasinan, tidawat ko kayo, kada kayo kakabsat, sa ikarukod si kayo agagik, dawatak kada kayo. Pag nyo po dito sa amin, sana pagbalik nyo sa probinsya, kayo po ay mas mabuting anak, mas mabuting estudyante, mas mabuting kababayan sa bawat probinsya, sa bawat bayan, sa bawat barangay na inyong kinatitirahan. Kumaapo, numalis kayo toy, you are a better person. Yun lang pong inihiling namin for tonight, for today, the coming 5 days. We celebrate sport, we celebrate life, and of course, we celebrate your better future. Dawatag kada kayo, amin, nga pamilya, ti DepEd, and of course, the municipal officials, tagiti kakabsat ko, nagapot, ti Ilocos Norte, Sur, kan La Union. Tonight, we reaffirm our commitment again, not only through sports, but also to the better future of the next generation of our beloved Region 1. Ang buhay po ng mga probinsya ay nakasalalay po sa inyo, mga kabataan. Ang pangalan ng inyong pamilya, ang inyong mga bayan at barangay. Umpisahan nyo po ngayon dahil nakasalalay po ang pagod at hirap na ibinibigay po ng bawat opisyal na nakaupo po dito sa harap para po sa inyong magandang kinabukasan. Ajay mo, may nga dawata kakabsat, no agawid kayo. Hanyo liplipatan, dagiti bannog kan anos, dagiti naganak kada kayo kakabsat. Aradtoy kayo amin for one purpose. Ulitakla ang piduang kulabat, winning sa sports. Pero pag alis nyo po dito, winning in life ang hihilingin ko po sa inyo. Tanggapin nyo po ang mainit na pagbati ng buong opisyales ng lalawigan ng Pangasinan, the 44 towns and 3 cities, and the 1,333 barangay strong of the province of Pangasinan. Isang karangalan po na tumulong upang maging ganito ka-successful ang R1AA dito po sa Alaminos City. Again, in behalf of all the officials of the provincial government, humahanga po kami lahat sa inyong mga kabataan, humahanga po kami sa inyong mga atleta, and of course, ang kinabukasan po ng bawat bayan, syudad ng probinsya ng Region 1 ay nakasalalay po sa inyong magandang kinabukasan. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, mabuhay po ang kabataan, at mabuhay po ang probinsya ng Pangasinan.
Maraming salamat sa ating minamahal na Gobernador ng Pangasinan, Amado I. Espino III. Palakpakan po natin siya. Sabi niya, ang laro ay parang buhay. Minsan natatalo at minsan ay nananalo. Thank you so much for that. To award the plaques of appreciation to our guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Alberto T. Muyot, Undersecretary for Legal Affairs and School Sites Titling, and to our keynote speaker, Pangasinan Governor Amado I. Espino III, may we call in Alaminos City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, Regional Director Dr. Alma Rubi C. Torio, Assistant Regional Director Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong, Alaminos City Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Danilo C. Sison, and Alaminos City Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Mr. Aguido C. Fernandez.
Allow me to read the text for our guest of honor and speaker. Department of Education, Region 1, Schools Division Office, Alaminos City, Pangasinan, awards this plaque of appreciation to Undersecretary Alberto T. Muyot for his invaluable presence and words of inspiration as guest of honor and speaker during the opening program of the 2018 Region 1 Athletic Association meet held on February 11 to 16, 2018 at the Alaminos City National High School Athletic Grounds, and whose unwavering commitment and dedication as Undersecretary for Legal and Legislative Affairs and School Sites Titling in the Department of Education has set the standards for public service that truly matters, given this 11th day of February 2018 in the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan. Signed, Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5 Schools Division Superintendent. City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste.
Once again, a resounding applause for our guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Alberto T. Muyot, Undersecretary for Legal Affairs and School Sites Titling. This time, let me read to you the text for our keynote speaker. DepEd Region 1 Schools Division Office, Alaminos City, Pangasinan, awards this plaque of appreciation to Governor Amado I. Espino III for his invaluable presence and words of inspiration as keynote speaker during the opening program of the 2018 Regional 1 Athletic Association meet held on February 11 to 16, 2018 at the Alaminos City National High School Athletic Grounds, and whose exemplary commitment and dedication as the governor of the province of Pangasinan has set the standard for public service that truly matters, given this 11th day of February 2018 in the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan. Signed, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, and City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste. Another resounding applause for our keynote speaker, Governor Amado I. Espino III of the Provincial Government of Pangasinan. This time, ladies and gentlemen, there's more. May we request Governor Amado I. Espino III, Undersecretary, Attorney Alberto T. Muyot, Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torio, Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong, and Education Program Supervisor and Head of the R1AA Technical Committee, Dr. Edilberto R. Abalos, for the awarding of the plaque of appreciation to our host, City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, to be assisted, of course, by Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Danilo C. Sison, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Mr. Aguido C. Fernandez, Chief CID Dr. Wilfredo E. Sindayen, Chief SGOD Dr. Arturo R. Viray, and Alaminos City Division Sports Officer Mr. Arlene R. Alcantara.
Republic of the Philippines Department of Education Region 1 Office, San Fernando City, La Union, awards this plaque of appreciation to Arthur F. Celeste, Mayor, City of Alaminos, in grateful appreciation of his generous and unwavering support to the Department of Education in hosting the Region 1 Athletic Association meet on February 11 to 16, 2018 in the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan. His dynamic and passionate leadership has sparked a strong collaboration between and among the various educational stakeholders thus making the successful conduct of the event possible. Given this 11th day of February 2018 at the Alaminos City National High School, City of Alaminos, Pangasinan. Signed, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent. Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio, CESO 3, Regional Director.
There you have him, ladies and gentlemen, our City Mayor, Arthur F. Celeste, who is truly a man of action, who brilliantly performs his duties as the father of our beloved city.
And not only that, Elisa, he makes all the services available para sa lahat. Tandaan niyo po ito para sa lahat. Regardless of color, gender, religion, and status in life.
So once again, congratulations to the local government unit of Alaminos City, led by City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, and of course, to the SDO Alaminos City, led by Dr. Danilo C. Sison, for accepting the challenge of hosting this prestigious regional sports competition. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Sports instill how to win, how to accept defeat, how to interact with other people, and how to develop desirable character traits, which are vital in achieving success in the future. With that, may we call in once again our Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio, for the declaration of the opening of the 2018 R1AA meet.
I hereby declare the opening of the 2018 Region 1 Athletic Association meet at the City of Alaminos, the home of 100 Islands National Park. Mabuhay ang Region 1! Mabuhay ang Golden Kingfishers ng DepEd. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torrio, has just declared the opening of the 2018 R1AA meet.
That's right, Elisa. So, to the finest athletes of Region 1, who do you think will emerge as the champions in this year's R1AA and will battle it out for the Palarong Pambansa 2018 that will take place here in our beloved region? Will it be Ilocos Norte?
Will it be Lawag City?
Will it be Batak City?
Or Ilocos Sur?
Would it be Candon City?
Vigan City?
Will the star shine now for La Union?
San Fernando City?
Pangasinan 2?
What about Pangasinan 1?
Will it be for Urdaneta City?
Or San Carlos City?
Dagupan City?
Or will it be Alaminos City? to please stay because you will be missing this for your life. Okay? So, mag-stay pa muna po tayo. This time, let us witness a fireworks display courtesy of the local government unit of Alaminos City led by City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste.
Where you can dream aloud, your heart will follow. Get up and sing along. The moment's here and now. Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away. You and me making memories today. Step into the magic. Watch the stories come to life. Step into the magic. Every color shines so bright. Step into the magic. Step into the magic.
Come on, Margie, step into it.
Chemicals, mama, I'm sure all the hand and I just around. Action speaks louder than words, and I'm a man, a great experience. I know you got another man, but I can love you better than him. Take my hand, don't be afraid, I'm gonna prove every word I say. I'm advertising love for free, so you can place your hand free. Won't you come along and down by the dozen? I ain't nothing but this and love. Hey, little thing, let me light your candle, cause mama, I'm sure all the hand and I just around. Yeah, all the hand now. Oh, baby. Baby, here I am, a man on your scene. I can give you what you want, but you got to come home with me. I forgot some good old loving, and I got some more in store. When I get through throwing on you, you gotta come running back for more. Cause I run along and down by the dozen, I ain't nothing but drugstore loving. Hey, little thing, let me light your candle, cause mama, I'm sure all the hand and I gets around. Hard, hard to handle now. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me light your candle, cause mama, I'm sure all the hand and I just around. Yeah, so all the hand and I. Oh yeah, baby, good love, man. Baby, baby, oh, good love, man. I need good love, the hand and I just around. So mama, I'm sure the hand and I just around. Yeah. So all the hand and I. Oh yeah. Baby. A good love, man. Baby. Baby. Oh, good love, man. I need good love.
Again, our warmest applause, please. Before we end our program, let us witness a festival showcase prepared to us by the selected teachers and students of Alaminos City Division, care of Dr. Orlando I. Guerrero, Education Program Supervisor in Araling Panlipunan, who is the chairperson of Cultural Presentations.
Mga kababayan, lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat.
At talino mong taglay, pananalig at dangal sa sarili, sa may kapal ialay. Tunay na ipagmamalaki ang nakamit mong tagumpay. At sa iyong pagbabalik sa pagbaling mabuhay.
Pamilya, gangkang ng hangad mo, may karamay ka sa paglalakbay. Ano malayo ng landas mo? Mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi ka mag-iisa Pilipino, dahil ang bawat tagumpay sabay natin ipagdiwang ng buong todo. We are Filipino.
Maraming Pilipino bumaksa dito sa Westminster Bridge.
Dahil tayo'y Pilipino.
Another resonating applause for our equally talented teachers and students from the Alaminos City National High School, Polo National High School, Inilangan National High School, San Vicente National High School, and Tebang National High School of the Alaminos City Division.
We also thank, of course, equally talented teachers of the Alaminos City Division. Good job.
Champions are not made overnight, but by blood, tears, and sweat of a long time preparations and rigid trainings, coupled with faith, courage, and determination, together with strength.
That's right, Alan. And I'm sure that every athlete here has the goal to survive till the end and prove that he or she is the strongest and the bravest of all.
So, to our dear coaches, nasa na sila? And young athletes, where are you? Who are actually the stars of the show?
Let the battle begin!
That concludes our opening program. Again, this is Alan Ross.
And Eliza saying,
Mabuhay ang mga atleta ng Region 1! Abiyag ka, Region 1! May you enjoy your stay here in Alaminos City, the home of the 100 Islands.
Thank you and good evening. God bless us all.
And of course, we would like to thank the chairperson of this opening program, Dr. Wilfredo E. Sindayan. And palakpakan naman dyan, together with the Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Elnora Tira Roque. And of course, all the working committees for this R1AA 2018.
Special thanks, of course, to the chairperson of the cultural presentations, Dr. Orlando I. Guerrero. We also thank our floor directors,
Mr. Alfie Dauplo and Leovani Aglibot.
and of course, our technical director, Clares Jade Banogon, who is a champion for Best in Technical Applications during the RSPC 2017. And take note, who will fly to Dumaguete City. Thank you once again. God bless
Bless us all.